Oh my goodness. One of you babies are crying. Which one of you? Why do I have so many babies? Is it you, Elmo? Are you the one crying? Here, Mom, do something. You're the grandma anyways. Help me out. No, it's not baby Elmo who's crying. He's so cute. Let me see who's crying around here. It's so annoying. It's hurting my ears. Is it you, Big Elmo? Are you the one crying? Big Elmo, you better stop crying before I return you back to the store. Mom, do you have the receipt? There's a lot of babies here. I'm going crazy. They're all crying the same time now.